Camera, lights, rolling, and action.
Hello guys, this is Shivani. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. So it's been a long time I have made a video, and this video is going to be a little different, and I'm going to show my affordable deo and perfume collection to you all. So without much blabbering, let's just get into the video. So I'm gonna start off with the cheapest range first, and this is what my collection looks like. Okay. So for now I have like 9 of them. Except this 9, I do have some other perfumes as well, but they are like very expensive, so I'm not going to show in this video. I might make another video with all the expensive perfumes in that. So the first perfume in the cheapest range, we have Layer Water Girl, and this is their Vanilla Twist fragrant body splash. So this is a body mist actually, but it does stays quite a long time. This is for like 199 rupees, but I got it for 195. You will always get this on discounted prices if you like compare prices from Amazon to Flipkart or something, but make sure you are buying the original ones. Also, talking about the fragrance, so obviously it's the notes are vanilla, and the other notes I can recognize are like warm cocoa and bitter chocolate kind of fragrances in it, but it settles down to vanilla only. For 195 you get this a whole bottle of like 135 ml, and I've used it like 3 to 5 times now, and I would rate this around like 6 out of 10. Why did I rate this 6 out of 10? वो आपको आगे जाके पता चलेगा, because जो आगे के जो perfumes है वो like थोड़े like इससे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा pricey है, but dude, it's amazing. So yeah, please stay tuned. So the next one we have here is a Park Avenue Deo, and this is from the men's range, and I absolutely love this deo because this is my 4th bottle, I suppose. Yeah, this is the 4th bottle now. And okay, so I'll just spritz it once again. So the notes here are aqua, citrusy, and very fresh kind of fragrance in it. Also, it lasts a longer period of time. Spray this once and I really don't feel the need of spraying it again, because it does stays a longer time on your body. Considering that this is a deo, it is gonna last longer than the mist. So the notes when it settles down are like woody, musky tones, and it does stays on your clothes as well. Even if you like smell your clothes the next day, you will be able to smell the fragrance again. So this is for like 200 rupees. You will again get it for discounted price on Amazon. And the best part here in this deo is that it doesn't have any gas in it. So the next up we have here is from the brand Engage. It's their perfume spray in the range W2. This retails for 210 rupees, but I got it for 200 rupees, and this was like again on discount. So talking about the notes here, it has mandarin, rose, and kind of peachy fragrance in it, and it does have a base note of vanilla with a hint of floral fragrance to it. This fragrance is like a very feminine fragrance, and I love this a lot because it's like a perfect for a date night. You should get this if you are into floral sweet kind of fragrances, and this again lasts longer than the Layer Water Girl, and I must say this lasts long for 3 to 4 hours. But again, this is a perfume spray. It has got a bit of perfume, but it's like a deo or a mist, so you could use it again. And I don't think so it's like very expensive to use it again and again. You can obviously use it a lot of times because it's like very cheap at this price, and you get this quantity 120 ml. So yeah, this is again a very affordable and cheaper. Next up we have is this West Side Studio West Deo in the range Love. This is priced at 225 rupees, but there is an offer going on. So when I just walked into the West Side store, I got to know that there was an offer. I had these 2-3 other fragrances in this variant, and I just loved this one a lot because the other fragrances were also good, but I did have those similar kind of fragrances, so I didn't really pick them up. And again, talking about the quantity here, it's like 100 grams. I don't know, they have written 100 grams, and it's priced for 225 rupees. To buy the another bottle, you get both of the bottles for 350 rupees. Okay, this is not a promotional video, but it's like, because I love this deo a lot, that's why I'm promoting it. It's not a collaboration or something. So let's just spritz. Okay, so this is again a very fruity candy kind of fragrance, very you know, edible kind of fragrance. This is like a perfect day wear deo. So this is on the very sweet, sexier, sensual side, and this is like very close to my heart because it smells exactly candy. I don't know how do I describe it, but it's very fruity and candy-licious. So yes, talking about the long lasting power, it does stays on you for like 4 to 5 hours, and you might need it the second time if you're like working for more than 6 or 8 hours. You might need this again, but it does stays a lot of time. Also, it stays on your clothes. Even if it's a fruity and sweet fragrance, it's not that hard. It's very mild. It won't give you headache at all. And the perfumes I talked about previously, even they won't give you a headache. They are like very mild. Is that because I usually prefer very mild scents and perfumes for myself. So if you're planning to go to West Side store, please consider buying this one, and also check their other ranges as well. They have perfumes and deos. They have some other perfumes as well, which are like under 500 and 800 something, and they were amazing as well. Stuff we have here is from the brand Rasasi. I don't know how to pronounce it, Rasasi or Rasasi, I don't know. So it's their Twinkle Parfum, and it's a deodorant body spray. So this is almost over, and I guess I have 2-3 spritz left. Okay, this has a very floral kind of fragrance in it. So it's like very girly, feminine and fresh fragrance, and it does last longer time, but only if you like spritz all over your body twice or thrice. So this is like priced for 400 rupees, but again you'll get this on discounted price. And talking about this deo, I really like that whenever, you know, I don't feel like wearing something sweet or fresh kind of fragrance, I always opt for this. This is like a, you know, my go-to fragrance. I'll give all the links down in the description boxes from where you can buy these deos. Next up here we have this cute little perfume from Miniso, and this was a gift from my sister. Gifted this on my birthday. So this is their Mist Charm perfume in the fragrance Dreamland. It's EDT and not EDP. EDT doesn't last longer than the EDP does. So talking about the notes here, let's spritz this. So first, the top note is like very alcoholic, and then it settles down to fruit and floral smell, more of a floral smell. So this is like priced for 460 rupees, and it's 50 ml only. It doesn't last long. It's like for 2-3 hours only. So talk about the bottle. This is very cute. It's like a blue color kind of perfume in it, and it's very cute glass bottle. You can just keep this in your bag and you can travel with it. It's not gonna break, I guess. I don't know, it's a glass, obviously it will break, but you can carry this with you if you have like a very strong bag with you. Next one we have here is from the brand Plum, and this is like my favorite from every perfume or deo I have showed you till now. This is my favorite one. I ordered this on the same day with Engage and the Layer one, but this is like my favorite and the star perfume from all of it. Not a perfume exactly, this is a body mist, but it stays for a very longer period of time on you. This is their body mist in the fragrance vanilla vibes, and they do have body lotion and scrubs, I guess. It was like hyped a lot. I've seen many YouTube videos and many reviews. This is like a dupe for Vanilla Lace or Bare Vanilla from the Victoria's Secret, because I know I have one friend of mine who has this Victoria's Secret body mist. When I used that Victoria's Secret mist, I was like, dude, I want to get this fragrance from anywhere. So I started to find the dupe for Victoria's Secret. I know I wasn't sure, like I was buying them online, I wasn't sure that it would smell exactly like the Victoria's Secret, but dude, I am impressed. It does smells like Victoria's Secret, and oh my god, this is like the best one I have ever had. Notes here are vanilla, warm vanilla, and it doesn't have any floral or any fruity kind of fragrance in it, not even a hint of it. It has straight up vanilla. It's like you just came out of a bathtub filled of vanilla essence. It's very sweet, not floral or fruity. Again, it's very sweet and vanilla. It's like a vanilla essence in this bottle. MRP for this is 525 rupees, but I got it for discounted price. I got it for 375 rupees. It was a good deal. So again, if you're buying anything, just go online, search it online, and you'll get it for discounted prices, and you can save some bucks on it. This is like I would give 10 out of 10 or even 20 out of 10. This is my favorite amongst everyone, and again, considering the lowest price I have got this for, it's a very good deal for me. And if you're looking for anything vanilla and sweet fragrance, just go for this one. Next perfume I have here is from the brand Zara. I know this is not considered in the affordable range, so this is like priced for 790 rupees, and you can get their 10 ml of sample or tester bottles. I don't know what do they say. You can get those as well if you're like not ready to spend 790 on this. But again, I must say every penny you spend on this one is like worth it. So the notes here are peachy, citrusy, and kind of spicy, but not that much spicy, but it has like sweet, peachy and citrusy fragrance to it, and it is not that long lasting, but I do love the smell a lot. I do love the fragrance a lot, and it is very sensual and, you know, very nighttime kind of fragrance. So the middle notes would be like grapefruit, mandarin, again like citrusy, and the base note, like it settles down to vanilla, but not you know, not that sweet, but it is like very floral and citrusy kind of fragrance. I don't know how do I describe it, but it's like a rich and elegant kind of fragrance. You know, somewhere you want to stand out, so I guess this is the one you could wear. And this is like the best perfume I could say. I do want to try their red vanilla and oriental fragrances, but again, they are like very expensive. So we are done, guys, and here we wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did sharing this with you all, and I would definitely try to make more such videos. If you really found this video very interesting, please comment down below and let me know that ऐसे collection के videos मैंने बनाने चाहिए या नहीं. Or that's it, guys. Thank you. Keep supporting. Bye bye.